In this video, Marcel and I will take a look at these different reservoirs and see what pump and what pump reservoir combination would be good for your next computer modding build. So Marcel, we have 3 different pumps on our table. Maybe let's just go through them. What this?
This is the DCLT pump. This is our smallest and tiniest pump we have. That is definitely enough when you have like one reservoir, one radiator and one component to cool, like the CPU. That is absolutely fine.
It's like as big as my thumb.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, the next one.
The next one is the DDC, I'm sorry.
Yeah, this is DCLT.
Yes.
The names are so confusing sometimes.
Yeah.
Not only for our customers.
as for us as well. So we got the DDC pump. This is a pretty strong pump. If you have
this amazing feature. Every time I need to show it. Look at this. No other pump I know in the world had this amazing feature. It runs forever without getting an issue.
Without any brushes, yeah.
Long term, definitely recommendation from me.
Definitely. Yeah. So this is if you're running a system with like 2 radiators, GPU, CPU. This is a pretty strong pump and can definitely.
It has a metal housing.
Yeah, and it is passive cooled as well with the metal housing. So this is the DDC pump. The next pump you have, this is the VPP or D5 pump.
Yeah.
That is the Porsche of the pumps which we can recommend. It is usage for very strong components. If you have many components or even an external radiator like a Mora or something like that, that would be the right choice for your setup.
It has also so many names like VPP, 655, 755, D5, Apex, I don't know, even some more.
Yeah, but the actual thing which matters is they are in a D5 shape. So
yes, it's like the compatibility.
Yeah,
it's always the same. We call it like D5 because Lang was the first D5 pump, like the origin of all these, and this gave the housing or the exact measurements where all these pumps fit in. So now we have for this pump some products here. The first is this. What is that?
We have some examples. This is the flat reservoir, not the flat reservoir. I'm sorry. That is the pump top. That is recommended if you already have a reservoir without any pump possibility. So you can use this. You can simply attach the pump right here and run the system as you like. We have standoffs as well, so you can mount it directly to a 120 or 140 fan slot, and it can be mounted
also for HDD drive slots or whatever
or something.
It has many holes here for you can have various options.
Yeah, you have many possibilities to assemble this combination.
Then, of course, we need something that already has a reservoir included.
Yes, if you need a reservoir, we recommend something like this.
Everyone needs a reservoir, right?
Yeah, of course.
I guess.
Yeah. So we need this is an Eisbecher. We have chosen one for the D5 pump as well.
Yeah, it looks like the same like this from the bottom.
Yeah, the bottom is pretty much the same.
It is like. Yeah, exactly. It's the same.
Not exactly, because we need a combination.
A little difference, yes.
Yeah, because we need a direct way to the reservoir in this case.
The outlet has a different position and different. And the inlet also.
Yeah, okay. And this is like this. The pump is mounted like this. The liquid comes in here. The pump is sucking out the liquid to this direction.
It goes into the reservoir. The bubbles go up.
Yeah,
and then the pump sucks it down again.
Yeah, without any air in it. So if you have some air in your loop, it will be trapped in here. Yeah. It will not be further transported through the complete loop.
Yes. And now we have like the. How do we call it? The Porsche of Porsche.
Yeah, kind of like a Lamborghini. So this is a
distroplate.
Distroplate, thank you. This is a distroplate including a reservoir. So we have the same functionality like in the Eisbecher.
Yes, and we need to look at the function. So the water is in here, and there is like a little hole, or let's say. From the back, it runs there. You cannot just see it, but it is there. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
So and then it can be sucked from this hole.
Yeah, the pump sucks the liquid right in, so the air gets trapped above the pump here, and you can see a small tubing right here in the
yes, that's the outlet of the pump.
Yes, to the next chamber, and from there you can choose which outlet you use to pump in your system the complete liquid.
Yeah, that was an amazing setup here.
Yeah, we have also the possibility to run pretty many lights in this version and in this version as well. We have a RGB, and so every LED is controllable separately.
So what I see here is like, it looks like the same size somehow.
Yeah, that is purpose, to be honest. So,
really?
Yeah, so you can mount it directly to the in front of your radiator with some distance between, or
so let's say this is in the front of my computer case.
Yeah.
And I could like mount it like this.
Yeah, if the fans are on this side, you can mount it like this, so that you have enough air to go through the radiator.
Yeah.
And yeah, it is on purpose, so you can mount it directly to any 280 slot.
Yeah, or if I have a top
slot.
Radiator, I could just mount this on where the case fans are.
Yeah, in the front, then there's enough space, so you can mount it directly to the front as well.
Amazing invention, isn't it?
It is indeed.
Yeah, so good.
All right.
So Marcel, from all these options that we have here, what's your favorite?
My favorite is the distroplate. As stated in the video, we have many options. We have cool features like the RGB. We have a position for a strong pump. That is definitely my recommendation.
That's good. It's a great product and amazing possibilities with that, right?
Yeah.
So I hope you liked this video and this gave you a little like the help with your next setup, what you want to choose. You can choose, of course, any of these, all lead to good results. But to find your favorite, that's our job. And Marcel and all the other people from our support team, they will help you to build your dream computer. So don't hesitate to contact him. Yeah, he will be there for you. So thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.